Do you have an Xbox gift card and you don't know what to do with it? Don't worry, you're not alone. Lots of kids get Xbox gift cards and they don't know how to use them. But today I'm going to show you step by step how to redeem your Xbox gift card and get cool games, fun apps, and even more. So first, go to your Xbox console and you're going to sign into your account. Then you're going to go to the store. Scroll down and choose use a code. A keyboard is going to pop up. Now you're going to type the code on the back of your gift card. You're going to make sure that every letter and number is right. Second thing now, you can also redeem the code on a computer. So you go to xbox.com/redeem. Sign in, enter the code, and click next. Done. Third, if you have the Xbox app on your phone, open it, sign in, type your profile, and choose redeem code. Type the code and it's going to work just like that. Fourth, after you redeem it, go back to the store and explore games like Minecraft, Roblox, Forza Horizon, or you can buy them with your gift card money. So now that you know how to do this, give it a try, and if it worked, let me know in the comments. Like, subscribe, ciao.